Excel Workbook and Use of English, Grade 5, Model 9C, exercises from 1 to 6, pages 70 and 71. Exercise 1. Look at the text. Is it a postcard or an email? It's an email. Exercise 2. Read and fill in the words below. Hi, Cassie. We're having a great time here in Colorado. It's warm and sunny, and we are staying with my Aunt Samantha and Uncle George. They've got a huge swimming pool in their garden. We go swimming every morning before breakfast. It's amazing. Today my aunt is taking us to the annual Summer Kids Festival in Lakewood. Every year the festival has a different theme, and this year it's pirates. There are lots of games with prizes and a costume contest. My brothers Doug and Clint are wearing their pirate costumes. They look very funny. I'm taking my camera with me so I can show you the photos when we get back. See you next week. Love, Anne. Exercise 3. Read again and answer the questions. The first, where is Anne? Anne is Colorado. The second, what is the weather like? It's warm and sunny. The third, what does Anne do every morning? Every morning Anne goes swimming before breakfast. The fourth, what is she doing today? Today, her aunt is taking her and her brothers to a festival. The fifth, what is the theme of the festival this year? The theme of this year's festival is pirates. The sixth, who is with her? Her brothers, Doug and Clint, are with her. The seventh, what are Anne's brothers wearing? Anne's brothers are wearing their pirate costumes. The eighth, what has Anne got with her? Anne has got her camera with her. Exercise 4. Listen to Ben asking for some information. For each question, choose the correct answer. Hello, Ruston Transport Museum. How can I help you? Morning. I'd like some information about the museum, please. Can you tell me the opening times? The museum is open Mondays to Saturdays from 8 in the morning to 8 in the evening. How much is the entrance fee? It's £5 for adults. There are special prices for university students, £3, and the elderly, £2. Children up to the age of 16 don't have to pay, but they must be with an adult. What kind of exhibits do you have in the museum? I'm crazy about planes. We have lots of photographs and posters of transport through the ages. There are also some cars, buses, and bicycles. We don't have room for real planes and trains, but we do have some models on display. Oh, really? Can I buy some model planes? I always like to buy something when I go to museums. Well, our gift shop is very popular with visitors, but it only has books of photographs, DVDs, and some posters of the history of transport. Where exactly is the museum? It's easy to find. It's Station Road. You know Walton Street? Turn right at the end and we are next to Grieve Bookshop at number 12. I'm new to the area. Can I get a bus to the museum? There is a bus stop right outside the museum, and there are buses every half hour from 8 in the morning to 6 at night. At the weekends, there is only one bus every hour. Go to the bus station and take the number 4 bus. Thanks, that's very helpful. The first, the museum is closed on Sunday morning. The second, entrance for children under 16 is free. The third, the museum has real buses. The fourth, the gift shop does not sell model planes. The fifth, the museum is on Station Road. The sixth, the last bus from the museum is at 6 o'clock. Exercise 5. Label the pictures. The first, lake. The second, mountain. The third, forest. The fourth, deer. The fifth, fox. The sixth, wild boar. Exercise 6. Listen and complete the postcard. Hi Kim, greetings from Spain. Madrid is wonderful. I'm having a great time. The weather is hot and sunny. The hotel is next to the river and there is a great view of the city from my room. There are a lot of museums and beautiful buildings to see. See you soon, John.